Well, today I took the power seat out of my 55 Thunderbird and vacuumed it out, all of the biodegrading foam under the seat. But as you can see, it's absolutely fantastic condition, unbelievable, no rust. So this car is, if not for anything else, it is amazing. It is rust free everywhere, so pretty cool. Anyway, I got this rebuilt. I took some pictures of it. This is the forward and reverse. Let's see if it'll function here. So there it goes. It works. Took it all apart and greased the gears and everything. And then the seat mechanism, come over here. So it's all been cleaned and lubricated. Interesting because if you notice right here, this is some original from the 50s clear plastic seat cover with the little gold stars on it. And I remember my uncle had a 57 Ford, and if I'm not mistaken, and he had, I'll have to ask him, he had those seat covers on there. Pretty cool. Too bad they don't reproduce it as far as I know. Maybe someone will, but anyway, it's a good sample of it, so I'll cut it off and keep it. But anyway, can't do it with one hand, but you can kind of see it moves easily one hand, and the up and down motion is so you can see it here. It's up and down, whereas forward and back. It only moves 3.5 inches forward and back. That's the travel of it. So anyway, I'll put the attach the motor back for the forward and reverse right there, and it's ready to be reinstalled, other than the fact that it'll have to be taken out again to put a new seat cover and seat cushions and foam in it. But anyway, so it should work absolutely perfect. And so anyway, I got the car jacked up. Not many cars look this good with no engine in them currently and jacked up, but these little Thunderbirds are good looking cars. So get the engine out, and I'll make a decision on the one I'll put in there, but it'll probably be a 312 Y block, where this one had a 292 in it, but the 57 Thunderbird had the 312, and my Skyliner over here, it has the 312 in it, and runs and sounds great. Love the Y block sound. So anyway, so there we are. Even this back piece here is in pretty to cover up the back area where the convertible top would be, although this doesn't have it currently. So other than the carpet being shot, pretty nice condition underneath. Even has the original plastic cover on that on this motor for the vertical up and down of the seat, which I've already rebuilt that. It works great. So anyway, a little bit of progress today.